Welcome once again sa car review natin, Kasurambaw. Thank you nga pala sa Toyota Mabolos, Cebu City for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call Golda Marie Agas on their mobile phone. This is a 2024 Toyota Z-Neck 2.0Q Hybrid CVT. 1.968 million to, Cebu City price ha. July promo is 199,000 based on 15% down payment. 48 months is 51,426.84 and 60 months is 43,805.90. Airbags is driver, front passenger, side, and curtain. Brake is electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brake system or ABS with emergency brake signal. Features is electronic door locks, immobilizer, security alarm, speed sensing door locks, ISOFIX, lane departure alert, lane tracing assist, pre-collision system, hill start assist control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, dynamic radar cruise control, and vehicle stability control. Dito sa harap, dalawa ang grille taas at baba. Hexagon grille, gloss black, honeycomb, laminated chrome Toyota logo, front camera, chrome accent. Dito silver, maliit na grille, matte, window type, 4 front sensors, fog lamps, window type grille dito, matte, LED. Sensors, Toyota Safety Sense. Headlights is may chrome accent sa loob, LED. Sa baba, DRLs, LED rin. Wheels is silver na may papunta na sa chrome. Tires is 225/50 R18 Dunlop. Matte dito, tugtong sa matte fender, hybrid emblem chrome, matte sa baba, matte fender, dugtong sa likod. Body color side mirrors with repeaters, auto adjust and auto fold. 360 camera with panoramic view monitor. Keyless smart entry. Chrome with body color sa side, doorknob. Matte window trim sa taas. Sa baba, chrome. Front suspension is McPherson strut and rear is torsion beam. Front brake is disc and rear is disc. Dito sa likod, shark fin antenna sa taas, spoiler back end, may gloss black accent, a curve, integrated yung third brake light LED, back wiper, back door garnish, body color, chrome dito, silver aluminum Toyota logo, back camera, Innova, Z-Neck, chrome, pati ang Q and hybrid emblem. For back parking sensors, matte, spare tire sa ilalim. Taillights is LED. Door panels is gray with silver and brown accent, chrome doorknob. Glass side pillars, plastic, brown leather, white stitching, silver, leather, silver, chrome doorknob, power window button, matte, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker. Back door panels is same gray with silver and brown accent, chrome doorknob. Plastic na din dito, brown. Ito leather, silver, chrome doorknob, mat, power window button, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker, retractable hand grip, captain's chair dito, may retractable handrest. Ito, power ottoman sa paa, power recline para sa back. Ito, sliding front and back. 50-50 pag fold sa upuan sa likod. Air vent sa gilid. Ambient lighting. Reading light. Doom light sa gitna. Dito din, air vents. Reading light. Pockets and hook dito. Pockets lang dito. Digital aircon control. Sa baba, 2 USB Type-C. Dito is same sa kabila, captain's chair. Di natin ma-adjust kasi walang power. Sa driver side na pintuan is same gray with silver and brown accent, chrome doorknob. Glass side pillars. Plastic. Brown leather. White stitching. Leather. Chrome doorknob. Silver. Auto fold. Side mirror adjust. Windows lock. Lock and unlock. Power window buttons. Malagyan. Bottle holder. Speaker. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopic. Plastic. Visor design. Leather. Stitching. Silver accent sa air vents. Malagyan. Headlights leveling. Auto on off. Auto tailgate. Monitor. Gas tank. Hood lever. Upuan is leather brown. Stitching. Black sa gitna. Same sa taas. Brown headrest. 8-way power adjust. View sa likod. 3-spoke steering wheel leather wrap with silver accent and audio controls. Dito is cruise control, lane departure, and modes. Dito naman is infotainment, voice command, and cell phone button. Paddle shifters. Dash is analog RPM, temperature, and fuel gauge. Display sa gitna, digital, and hybrid system. Infotainment is 10.1 inches, display audio via 6 speakers, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, USB, and auxiliary ready. Single zone automatic climate control aircon, doom lights, sun visor with ticket clip, vanity mirror, and lights sa driver's side. Sun visor with vanity mirror and light sa passenger side. Mic. Push start stop ignition switch, gloss black, silver accent, auto tranny, urethane, may plus and minus na drive, auto handbrake, auto hold, drive modes, EV, traction off, USB Type-C, USB port, 12-volt socket, silver accent, 2 cup holders, armrest leather brown, stitching, with spring, paside ang open. Passenger na upuan is same leather. Four-way manual adjust. Plastic. SRS airbag. Leather. White stitching. Silver accent. Pati sa air vents. Malagyan. Glove box slow-mo. Ang engine niya is a 2.0 4-cylinder inline 16 valve dual overhead cam with dual VVTi chain drive gasoline engine. Max output is 186 PS with max motor generator output of 113 PS. Max torque is 188 Newton meters of torque. Transmission is CVT. Fuel tank capacity is 52 liters. So that's it mga kasrambaw. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Support Visayan Vlogger hanggang sa muli. Paalam and peace. Thank you.